Hello friends, welcome to our channel Kids and My Passion. Hope you have seen my last video about time. This time I'll be showing a DIY method to teach time for your kids. So this is an A4 sheet where I have laminated. I made a circles to represent the hour hand values as well as minute hand values. So the inside circle represents the hour hand values, that is from 1 to 12, and the square boxes represents the minute values like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 like that. So first we need to teach our kids how to write the values in a clock. I am using two different color markers where the blue represents the hour hand value, that is from 1 to 12, and the red represents the minute values. First they need to write the values from here 1, 2, 12. So like this, once they represent the hour hand values, next they need to represent the minutes value 5, 60. So now they will be knowing that how to represent the values in a clock, the hour values as well as minute values. Now where the hour hand represents the small needle. So like this, it represents the hour hand. The big needle, that is the minutes needle. Like this, we need to teach our kids about the representation of times and the values in the clock. Later, you can ask some questions to your kids. So this is the analog format. Now I'll be representing the time in the digital. They need to mark 4 o'clock. Like this, I have mentioned the time 4 o'clock. I can put AM or PM. So now we need to ask our kids, can you please show me this time in your clock? 4, that is the hour hand, that will be with the blue line, and 00. So it indicates that we will be showing towards this minute hand. You can ask different questions. 4:30. As it is laminated, you can use this sheet in different ways too. You can also ask them, it's 4:45. How they are going to represent this one. So this is one DIY method. You can teach your kids about the time, and you can also teach your kids with the Roman number values also. So once the kids are made practice with this sheet, you can also make them practice with the real-time clock timer also. Now let's see a small toy watch model for your kids. How you need to make it. For that, these are the materials needed. You need a paper roll and glue, bottle caps, push pins or these kind of pins, paper cup, tape and a permanent marker. So these are the things needed. Now let's see how to make a toy watch for your kids. First, you need to cut this paper roll. Then you can also decorate with this kind of different kind of tape. Take a bottle cap, make a hole at the center. The minute hand and the hour hand using paper cup. For that, you need to cut this cup. Like this, you need to insert into this needle. Write the numbers on a bottle cap using a permanent marker, and then you can place this one on that. Do try this DIY for your little ones, and they are going to love this. Please do share your comments and don't forget to subscribe.